Hi, hello, and welcome everybody to our YouTube channel How to Guide. And in today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can log in into a Union Home mortgage account. Now, basically, Union Home is a company which provides you mortgage for your home. So basically, mortgage means loan. So it basically provides you loan for buying home or for your, other stuff related with home. Now, with that said, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And let's jump right into the video, shall we? So the first step is search for Union Home Mortgage login. And click on the first link over here and it's going to take you to its official website. Over here, you can either enter your account number over here or your zip code and the last four-digit number of your social security number. You can enter whichever information you find comfortable over here. Click on continue. After that, it's going to ask you for some more information. And after providing all the information it asks you, you should be able to log in into your account. So that's how it works, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe everybody, and bye bye. See you guys in my next video.